let me show you how to take both of these and make a stunning, comfy blanket. All you want to do is take your blanket, all right, you're gonna measure it out. All right, and this is 1.5 yards, and you're just gonna tie them together. I know you probably seen these, right? So now I'm just gonna take my other blanket fabric and just lay it out right on top. Whew, okay, so I got it on. So now I just gotta cut the selvage off. This is the selvage. It's this white part right here. They got the writing on it. So I'm just gonna cut that off, and then we're gonna get started. This is trash. So now we're just gonna take the 2 corners, this one and this one, and we're gonna cut it out, the corners right here. So, right here. And then just go straight across. Cut my hair. So now I'm gonna do that to all the other 3 edges. Just cut the corner off like that. Make sure they the same underneath, because you don't want a lopsided blanket. That wouldn't be good. Okay. Okay, so we got all 4 pieces. We're gonna cut 1 inch. Cut slits all the way around. Let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, let me get over here. You get down on the floor, it ain't that nice. Oh, this ain't too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and tie these since I'm already over here. Just gonna tie them. Just like that. Tie it again. Perfect. Just like that. Tie it again. Just like that, okay? Blanket is so nice and soft and baby when I'm sick. So now I got my blankie. It's on and popping. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.